Hello friends. Now we discuss about the one of the most important chapter of grade 10, that is quadratic equation. An equation which containing degree of 2 is called quadratic equation. Standard form, that now we can use what is the standard form. So standard form is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a does not equal to 0. क्योंकि अगर एक वैल्यू जीरो हो जाएगी तो दिस टेक्स द फॉर्म ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशन. ठीक है, तो लीनियर हमें नहीं करना है, हमें जो है क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशंस के बारे में पढ़ना है. ऑलरेडी जो आपने पॉलिनोमियल्स के बारे में पढ़ा था, तो जो स्टैंडर्ड इक्वेशन ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल जो था, स्टैंडर्ड इक्वेशन ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल, उसमें आपने ये पढ़ा था कि a0 x टू द पावर 0 प्लस a1 x टू द पावर 1, a2 x टू द पावर 2 प्लस a3 x टू द पावर 3 प्लस डॉट 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 an x टू द पावर n इक्वल टू 0. तो दिस इज द स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल. पॉलिनोमियल में जो हाईएस्ट डिग्री 2 होगी, दैट इज टेक्स द फॉर्म ऑफ क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशंस. तो नाउ we here the mean that is degree is highest, that is 2 in case of quadratic equation. Okay, now we proceed for the exercise 4.1 question. Okay, so let's proceed. Check whether the following are quadratic equations. ठीक है, तो the question first is x plus 1 whole square 2 times of x minus 3. तो first we have to simplify this. हमें क्या करना होगा? सिंप्लीफाई करना होगा. तो we know that this takes the formula of a plus b का whole square, that is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So here we can written down x square plus 1 plus 2x is equal to 2x minus 6. So here x square plus 2x minus 2x plus 1 plus 7 equal to 0. It means this is equal to x square, this is cancel out, plus 8 is equal to 0. Sorry, this is plus 6 and this is plus 7, because here is 6 after transferring, so minus 6 is becomes plus 6, so x square plus 7 equal to 0. So here degree is 2, therefore it is degree is 2, so it is क्या हो जाएगा? It is quadratic equation. Now we go for the another questions. Question number 4. Yeah. X minus 3 to x plus 1 equal to x of x plus 5. So here we go for the multiplication. Multiplication करेंगे हम यहाँ पे, तो ये क्या होगा? x into 2x, that is 2x square, x plus x, x में प्लस 1 किया तो प्लस x माइनस 3 2 जा 6x माइनस 3 इक्वल टू x into x, x स्क्वायर हो जाएगा. ठीक है, प्लस दिस बिकम्स 5 into x. नाउ सिंप्लीफाई क्या हो जाएगा? ये 2x स्क्वायर माइनस 5x माइनस 3 इक्वल टू x स्क्वायर प्लस 5x. So now 2x square minus x square, this is x square, minus 5x, this again minus 10x, minus 3 equal to 0. Here degree is also 2. Okay, therefore it is also quadratic equation. Okay, so on the basis of these two questions we have to solve the remaining one, and if you created any doubt, then you can put up in the comment box section, and there we can solve this type of questions. ठीक है? Okay, now sorry, now we go for the question number 2. Represent the following situations in the form of quadratic equations. So let's go. तो इसमें जो क्वेश्चंस हैं, सेकंड क्वेश्चंस, इसको हम जो है सेकेंड क्वेश्चन का जो फॉर्म होगा, रिप्रेजेंट द फॉलोइंग सिचुएशंस इन द फॉर्म ऑफ क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन। तो द एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगुलर प्लॉट, तो थोड़ा सा इस पे इरेज कर देते हैं। The area of a rectangular plot is 528. It is given that A equal to क्या है, 2 का फर्स्ट 528 मीटर स्क्वायर। The length of the plot is 1 more than the twice of its breadth. तो let breadth of the rectangular plot be x मीटर। ठीक है, तो अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन the length of the plot, then according to question length is equal to is 1 more than the twice of its breadth। twice of its breadth, तो ये x है तो twice क्या हो जाएगा 2x and 1 more than that is plus 1। okay, so the area becomes, so area equal to क्या होता है, length into breadth, therefore 2x plus 1 that is length, breadth is x and area it is given that 528, so x into 2x plus 1 is equal to 528, so 2x square plus x is equal to 528, so 2x square plus x minus 528 is equal to 0। this is the quadratic equations। okay, if you have any doubt then put your doubt in the comment section। in the next video we can minimize the problem for your self। ठीक है, so that's all, best of luck।